This tutorial is on how to start a meeting from your downloaded Zoom desktop app and how to check your microphone and video settings. So I've already opened my desktop app and this is the screen that comes up if you're logged in. Otherwise, it'll prompt you to log in. Once you're there, it's as simple as clicking New Meeting. And boom, we're in. So when you move your mouse, you'll see your controls come up at the bottom. On the very bottom left is your mute and unmute. Right now, that line indicates that I am muted, and if I had any participants, they would not be able to hear me. Simply click to unmute yourself and be able to be heard. Or click again to mute yourself so that no ambient background noise is making any difficulties for other conversation. If you're having problems making sure people can hear you, click on the up arrow and check all of your settings to make sure that the microphone and speaker is properly set. And you can also test your speaker and microphone very quickly and easily. Your video can also be started or stopped by a simple click of a button. So now you can just see my name, and this screen will pop up with whatever your settings have. So again, if you're having any difficulties with your video, please click the arrow to the right and you can choose from another source if you have one. You can also choose a virtual background. So if you're not too fond of where you currently are, you can choose to be maybe somewhere else. So I would like to enjoy a little bit of the Northern Lights. So this should get you started on your basic Zoom sessions. I wish you luck.